Today I am going to present on full 3D objects in computer vision. This topic focusing on how computers understand and present objects in 3 dimensions. Just like humans do, it plays an important role in modern technology like robotics, augmented reality and self-driving system. Let's explore how this works. Computer vision is a field of AI that allows machine to interpret images and videos. However, real-world understanding requires more than just 2D images. By using 3D object representation, system can understand depth, distance, and structure, which helps in making accurate decisions in real-time environment. What are full 3D objects? Full 3D objects are representation that includes 3 dimensions, height, width, and depth. Unlike flat images, they provide a complete structure of objects. This helps machine analyze shape, size, and spatial position, making them more effective in interacting with real-world objects. Types of 3D representation. There are different ways to represent 3D objects in computer vision. The most common types include point clouds, mesh models, voxel grids, and depth maps. Each method has its own advantage depending on the application such as accuracy, memory usage, or processing speed. Point cloud representation. Point clouds represent objects as a collection of points in a 3D space. Each point contains coordinates that define its position. These are usually captured using LiDAR or 3D scanners. Point clouds are widely used in autonomous vehicles for mapping, surrounding, and detecting obstacles. Mesh representation. Mesh representation uses vertices, edges, and faces to form the surface of a 3D object. This creates a detailed and realistic model. Meshes are commonly used in animation, gaming, and 3D design because they provide smooth and visually appealing structure. Voxel representation. Voxels are the 3D equivalent of pixels. They divide space into small cubes to represent volume. This method is useful when analyzing internal structure such as in medical imaging like CT scan. However, it requires more memory compared to other methods. Depth maps. Depth maps are store distance information for each pixel in an image. Brighter or darker values indicate how far objects are from the camera. This helps system understand the scene in 3D and is widely used in face recognition, gesture detection, and AR application. Techniques for 3D object detection. Several techniques are used to detect and reconstruct 3D objects. Stereo vision uses two cameras to estimate depth, while stretcher from motion builds 3D model from multiple images. Deep learning methods also play a major role in improving detection accuracy. Deep learning for 3D objects. Deep learning models such as PointNet, 3D CNNs, and NERF used to process 3D data. These models can learn complex patterns and improve object recognition. They are widely used in advanced AI systems for accurate and efficient 3D understanding. Application: autonomous vehicles, robotics, AR, VR, medical imaging, gaming. Challenges: despite its advantage, 3D computer vision has several challenges. It requires high computational power and large storage. Data can be complex and difficult to process. Additionally, issues like occlusion, where objects are partially hidden, make detection harder. Future trends. The future of 3D computer vision includes real-time 3D reconstruction and smarter AI system. Technologies like digital twins and the metaverse rely heavily on 3D object understanding. Continuous advancement will make the system faster and more efficient. In conclusion, full 3D representation is essential for advanced computer vision system. It helps machine understand the real world more accurately and interact with it effectively. The field is rapidly growing and has strong impact on future technologies. Thank you.